Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mystery of the most popular diets. Today, we're on a journey to discover how to lose weight without sacrificing the pleasures of food. If you've ever struggled with dieting, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable tips and insights. Now, let's talk about the key to successful weight loss: finding a balance between healthy eating and enjoying the flavors you love.
Many people believe that losing weight means giving up all their favorite foods. But what if I told you that you can still enjoy your culinary delights while shedding those extra pounds? It's all about making smart choices and understanding the science behind the most effective diets. Join us as we uncover the secrets that will transform your approach to weight loss. Tip number 1. Embrace a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. We'll show you how to create meals that are not only good for your body, but also a treat for your taste buds. Tip number 2. Incorporate mindful eating habits. Learn to savor each bite, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat that matters. Are you excited to transform your weight loss journey? Remember, it's possible to reach your goals without sacrificing the joy of eating. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also on the path to a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned for more insightful content on our channel. Until next time, happy and healthy eating.